Welcome or welcome back to We Rockin' Math with Miss Catherine. Today we're going to do some rapid practice problems involving mixed numbers to improper fractions. So if you remember from the previous video, in the instructional video for changing mixed numbers to improper fractions, we learned how to convert from one form to the other. If you haven't done so, you should check that instructional video out. Just click the upper right corner. We have 4 problems here. And when I say begin in a minute, you can press pause. Then we'll come back and check our answers together. Your goal is to get 3 out of the 4 correct. 4 out of 4 would be the best, but if you were to get 3 out of 4, that would be a good goal. You may begin now. All right, let's get into these problems. Looking at the first problem, we have 14 and 6 over 8. The first step is to multiply denominator by the whole number. So we multiply 14 by 8. You can put a multiply sign. (14 times 8). 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 1 times 8 is 8 plus the 3 is 11. So we have 112. And then we want to take this answer and add the numerator, which is 6. So it's 112 plus 6, which equals 118. So our numerator is a 118. Then we're just going to keep the denominator the same. So you put it over 8. And our final answer is 118 over 8. Moving on to number 2. We have 46 and 3/4. Going back to the first one, you can draw an arrow sign from the 14 to the 6, so you know you're adding. So it looks like a cycle. First, you're going to multiply from the bottom number to the whole number. Then you're going to take that answer and add the numerator. Let's go back to number 2. We have 46 times 4 as the first step. You can draw an arrow and put a multiplication sign. And 46 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. So we have 184 from multiplying the denominator and this whole number together. Then we're going to take that answer and you're going to add 3 to it. So 184 plus 3 equals 187. 187 is our numerator. Our denominator is going to be the bottom number there, which is 4. So our final answer is 187 over 4. Moving on to number 3. We have 30 and 10/12. We're going to multiply 12 by 30. You can draw an arrow and the multiplication sign. So I like to write the 12 on top because the 30 has a 0 at the end. And when you have a 0 at the back of a number, you can just line up the other digits first and put the 0 back in at the end, so you can solve it faster. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3. Then you just bring this 0 down, put it back in. So we get 360. And then you're going to take that answer and you add 10. So 360 plus 10 gives us 370. Then you're going to take this answer, which is the numerator, and put it over the denominator, which is 12. So the final answer, we have 370 over 12. The very last question, we have 36 and 5/7. You're going to multiply 36 by 7, draw an arrow, and then the multiplication sign. 36 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 4 is 25. We have 252 from multiplying 36 by 7. Then we're going to take that answer and add 5 to it. So we are going to add 5, which gives us 257. So our final answer, we're going to take the numerator, 257, which is the number we just found. Then you put it over the denominator, which is just that 7. So our final answer, 257 over 7. So I hope you were able to get at least 3 out of the 4 correct, if not 4 out of 4. If you didn't, you can go back and review the instructional video, see where you made a mistake, and come back and redo the problems again, and then see if you can get a 3 out of 4. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you thought this video on rapid practice had you practice your skills on converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until then, keep rocking at math, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everyone.